My view's not very good.
Can you see where you're going?
Yeah, it just keeps slipping up.
What, the goggles?
Yeah, and I can't see anything.
Can you drive the car back towards us? If it's too bumpy, take it down the bitumen. Don't drive it under the car, the antenna's too low. I took the antenna out last time we did that. Oh, you saw the stick, that was good. Is that as bumpy? What's wrong with it? Oh my god, I can't even see you. That's pretty cool. Do you know where you are? You have to turn left. Can you see me?
Oh, we dropped.
And something else.
Stop.
Can you get it other Tom? Yeah. Is it still working?
Yeah. It's stuck in the rock. Stuck. Oh, fix the steering.
I fix it, yeah, there's just all good? Oh, hang on, it just turned itself off, it does that. Are you good?
Let's try and fix the steering. Good enough.
How are those goggles?
Oh, it's alright.
Do they fit your face alright?
No.
Whoa, what's wrong?
It kept slipping up.
Oh, so it's just not adjusted, but your nose is alright?
Oh, your nose is alright.
Because a lot of people complain the nose is too tight.
It's press it with. That's fine.
Maybe tighten up the bands. Or loosen the one on top, or if that's
well, it doesn't even sound good.
Does that rip something? Yeah, rip the gear or something. So. Has it ripped the gear or is it alright?
Can I do a jump?
Yeah, if you want. Yeah. You've lost it. I've lost you. Oh, here we go. Yeah, you can do a jump. Hell yeah. Can you still see?
Yeah.
Nah, there's something wrong with it, eh? Gears are stripped or something. Will it still go? Something not happy about that. No.
Bring it back.
Hang on.
Oh.
Can you flip?
Oh, no, button it is.
It's left.
Oh, what, left one?
Yeah, left and then tweak the stick. Did it work? Alright, land it and we'll take a look.
Oh.
Can you do it? Oh no. You do it?
There you go. It's just a good drive.
Whoa.
Oh!
What happened?
It's pretty fast.
Yeah, it is.
Oh! Quick.
Yeah, but that's not in expert either. That's in fast mode.
Oh, that was close. This is in fast.
Yeah, it's not in expert.
The wind's picking it up.
Yeah, this is the same drone as the one I lost. Yeah, I lost one exactly like that.
Oh!
What, have you lost a prop? Bad damage?
Huh.
You can throw it.
That's a bit sketch.
Arm and throw. No, that's not good. Didn't come back up. You get sand in it. Oh, what?
Hey, don't forget to subscribe and watch these crazy videos too. Stupid fast, awesome.